In the quest to give cable and satellite companies the boot, we've seen the market for internet-based live TV services pop up like crazy over the past few years. Following the release of DirecTV Now in 2016, according to the Wall Street Journal, although we don't know which channels will be available with perhaps most damning for some customers, we saw Philo introduce a similar package last November, and also similar to Philo, that pricing would make the lack of sports will be a deal-breaker for some, but for people like myself who could care less about that, the service sounds rather compelling. Stephenson said that does this sound like something you'd be interested in? Verizon's TV streaming service will consist of multiple standalone